ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
How you doing? Come talk to us. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm curious how you think that Jesus or anyone like that could be a Muslim.
Do you know what the definition of a Muslim?
But they existed before Islam.
Well, that's not true. That's why we have that science to clarify this issue. What is a Muslim, right? A Muslim is the one who submits their will to their creator. So by definition, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, peace be upon them, were all Muslim because
that's not Muslim as the world views Muslim.
Well, then the world views them wrong, and that's why we're here to educate people, right?
Yeah, but it's
Islam didn't start with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Islam has been the religion of Adam, Moses, Abraham, Jesus, Muhammad, peace be upon them. If the world doesn't recognize that, then that's why we're here to clarify misconceptions. Muslims are those who submit.
I won't.
Go ahead.
I'm not going to enter into. I'm not going to.
You asked a question. I'm answering your question.
No, I know. I just don't. No point in continuing. I just wanted to understand where you're.
So do you understand where I'm coming from now?
I understand where you're coming from. I disagree 100%, but I understand.
You have the right to disagree. No
So
problem.
I'll leave it at
Are
that.
you a Christian?
Thank you. No, I'm Jewish.
Okay.
And
So let me ask
your
you.
viewpoint is very dangerous for Jewish people.
Why? Why is that dangerous?
Islamist extremists. I'm not saying it.
Okay, well, Jewish extremists are very dangerous too, so we're not going to talk about extremists. Well, the IDF does quite a bit of murdering, Zionist, the Golden Hill bombing. Oh, you're a Zionist? Okay, so the terrorism that was done, the bombing of the King David Hotel for Zionism, go look it up. Was that not terrorism?
I'm not going to say that.
Was that not terrorism?
That's never happened.
So was that not terrorisism?
I don't know the story.
You don't know? You're a Zionist that doesn't know the roots of Zionism? Okay, go ahead.
No. I know the roots of Zionism.
Okay.
And if that and I can look that up and not
King
say
David
you're wrong.
Hotel bombing.
Okay, I will. Absolutely. And I'll
Look
give
it up.
to you. I'm not going to say you're wrong.
Okay, thank you.
Because I'm not saying all Israelis are innocent and all Jewish people are innocent.
Good.
Absolutely not.
I'm
There's
glad you're not.
Issues
Right?
on both sides.
Sure.
But
And
if
not
we
all
wanted to
Muslims are innocent either. Muslims make mistakes. They do things that are wrong. I believe that is correct, right? The question is,
Jewish extremists than
question.
Islamist extremists
I disagree with you.
No,
I disagree with you.
There are only 14, 15 million Jewish
So then,
people in the world.
then percentage-wise,
many-
you have more Jewish extremists. There are many Jewish extremist groups. Look
Most
at
Jewish
ADF.
most
No.
Jewish people are
Look,
not
those settlers that walk in with
to-
guns and shoot people in
That's
their
very
houses.
that's a tiny percentage, and they're
Percentage-wise,
wrong.
you know how
They're
many Muslims
100%
there are in the
wrong.
world?
Yeah,
Almost 2 billion.
I know.
How many of you think they're extremists?
I don't.
Percentage-wise, less than Jews. So
Percentage,
go.
even
Thank
if you're
you.
right percentage-wise,
Thank you.
how
So-
many is that total?
No. Look, if you're just going to
Hundreds
go,
of millions,
if we're just going to
probably.
numbers, then
Hundreds of
Christians have more extremists than Muslims,
Maybe.
right?
Possibly
So
true, especially in
that's
this
not the
country,
point. That's
actually.
okay. I mean, that's interesting view. Hi, how are you? Sorry. Let me just finish with him just a
I
second.
think the most
Let-
things that destroy the Islamic reputation is from Iran. Iran has a...
I will agree with you there.
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
also,
but let
I'm
me
Persian Jewish.
okay. Let me ask you
I agree with that 100%.
as somebody who's a Persian Jew. Let me ask you a question. Do you believe in one God?
I actually don't believe in any God.
So
I
you're
believe in
atheist?
higher power. No, I'm a spiritual.
Agnostic.
I don't want to put a label on it.
No, but you're
I
a
believe
Zionist,
I
but you don't believe in any God.
No, I'm a Zionist in the sense that Judaism is more than a religion. It's
Okay.
an ethno-religion.
I get that.
And it comes from them having been on that land for thousands and thousands of years.
Gotcha.
And so it's not just about religion for Jewish people. It's not
I
just religion
gotcha.
for me.
So, but do you believe in God?
Personally, no.
Okay,
Not God
that's
as-
what I'm asking.
Not in any organized religion sense.
So you're agnostic then, or
I
atheist?
believe in a spiritual.
So that's like agnostic.
Universe,
Yeah.
energy.
But you don't believe in a God.
Whatever, you can
But
label
you're
it
a
how you-
Zionist, but you're agnostic. Let's
You
leave
can
it
label
at
it that way if you
Okay. Let me ask something. Do you believe Moses existed?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure if Moses.
I'm
You're,
not sure.
So you believe?
Probably, but I'm not sure. because
Zionists, when they
these
say-
are things that are written down
Gotcha.
by human beings
With mistakes?
No, probably mistakes.
Right.
The Bible, everything.
The
These are all
Quran has
things
no
that-
mistakes. So don't bring the Quran into the. Show me.
I don't know, but
show
you're
me.
so perfect.
Okay.
You're so perfect.
Okay, look, hold on. Let me speak to him and then I'll speak to you. Okay? So if you make a claim, I'd love to see it. If you talk about the Old Testament or the New Testament, I can show you the mistakes.
I'm not. claiming to be any expert.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm not claiming
So
to
don't
be
make
an
a claim that there are mistakes when you don't have
I didn't
evidence
say
for
that. I
it.
said there's probably mistakes, but here's the thing.
Right, you
Human
did say
beings
earlier, right?
have written these things down for many centuries.
But see, the Quran
for
is not
thousands
like
of
that.
years.
The
I
Quran
don't
was
wanna talk
memorized.
about the Quran. I'm talking about you asked me about
Okay,
Moses.
I appreciate
And
you.
even Jesus and everything that's written in the Bible
Okay.
are stories that have been told and written down by humans for generations.
What do you believe? What do you believe about Jesus? What do you believe about Jesus?
He's probably a human being who existed.
Do you believe he was born miraculously, without a father?
No.
So you believe he was born
I
through?
don't believe he was born
So
right.
you believe
I
that
believe he's
Mary?
a human being who probably had the qualities that are attributed to him, who was out in the world trying to do good.
Okay, so do you believe that Mary fornicated then to get pregnant because it wasn't from her husband, right?
I don't know who. I wasn't there. How would I know?
So
How would any
I'm
of us
asking your
really know?
belief, right? Do you believe Jesus
Yeah.
was born miraculously
I
without a
don't
father?
think he was born miraculously.
Okay. Do you believe he was a prophet or a
'Cause
Messiah?
I believe in science, and I don't believe women can get pregnant spiritually. I think
So-
there has to be there has to be semen involved.
Okay. So you believe somebody, human semen, made Jesus?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just asking, right? And as a Jew, do you believe that Jesus was a Messiah sent from God?
I don't believe in it. No, I don't.
Okay, I'm just asking, just
no,
clarifying.
I'm just
Thank you.
answering.
I appreciate
This is my
it.
personal belief.
Because I believe Jesus was born miraculously.
Okay.
I believe he was a
You're
prophet.
entitled
I love
to that
Jesus.
belief. That's
Yeah, great. You're entitled to your belief. No issue, right?
Okay.
Now, as a Zionist, do you believe God gave that land to the people of Israel?
I don't necessarily believe that God, because like I told you, gave
Right.
that land. I do believe that they have the most right to the land, having lived there the longest with archaeological and scientific
You know, the
proof
majority
that they
of
have been on that land.
the majority of the Israelis are from Europe right now,
No, they're
ethnically Ashkenazis. Yeah,
No,
look it
they're
up.
not.
Yes, they are.
No, there's
Go look it up. The
There's
majority,
Mizrahi there.
the
No, they're
majority of
not.
the Ashkenazi, they're European. They're not ethnically
not.
from there.
And
There's
any European Jews that are in
You're
Israel-
Persian.
Yeah, but you know, any,
You're not even from Israel then.
Actually,
You're from
no, I'm-
Persia, right?
I'm actually from Canada. My father's from Iran.
You're
and my mother
Persian,
is Eastern
and you're
European.
okay. So you're
I'm both. I'm
okay. Look,
Ashkenazi,
listen. So your mother's European, your father's Persian. What's
Yeah.
your right on Israel?
My personal right?
Yeah.
I mean, my ancestors are from there.
No, you're Persian and European. You're
Yeah.
not from Palestine. That's not your land.
I didn't say it's my land.
No, but
I'm
you're a
saying-
Zionist who
Yeah.
believes that this land belongs to people like you, but you're not even from there. Your dad is Persian, your mom is European.
Yes, most of Israelis are there as descendants or have lived on the
That
land
is-
or been
That is
Wait, let me
actually
finish.
not true.
But let me
Look it up.
finish.
There's a DNA
or
test
have
that's been done.
or have been expelled from the land for centuries and have come back to the land
So before them, who lived there?
before the Jews.
Before the Jews?
I don't know. You have to go back over 2,000 years.
So there were people there, though.
Maybe.
So those people of Palestine that lived there
Palestine
before,
didn't
of course,
exist.
but there were the people existed. Israel.
Palestine exists, yeah.
Thank you. It's okay. It's
Oh
okay. It's
gosh,
okay. It's
no,
okay.
I'm leaving now.
He's Persian and European, and he's talking about taking the land of Palestine. What kind of a Zionist? He doesn't even believe in God.
ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين